Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is another video of mine and I decided to make a 10-minute makeup challenge. I saw it, Danislava was doing it and it was kind of fun and I want to see if I can get ready in 10 minutes. So I will set the timer. I will set the timer for 10 minutes. I don't think that I am able to say each product that I will be using, but I will leave it in the description box, so I will have more time for my makeup. I think it will be an epic fail, to be honest.
Okay, 10 minutes.
Oh, it started! It already started! So I'm applying the primer. Oh my god. Foundation. Fast. Okay. Oh. Astaghfirullah. So I don't know if I can concentrate and tell you some updates. I'm starting working from tomorrow. Ramadan is done. All my plans that I was planning for all the Ramadan to do so many videos, are ruined because we were just literally enjoying our time. Because we were working so hard. So it's time to have some fun, to enjoy life, not only working. So here we are, starting working and starting recording videos again. And in 2 months I'm moving out from this apartment and I'm moving to 1-bedroom apartment. Yay! So, oh my god! 8 minutes! No, that's not how I was thinking it will be. I didn't think that it will be so fast. The foundation is the most hard for me to apply because I am a perfectionist and I just cannot apply whatever. So, and foundation is so dark. Still whatever. So next, some concealer. Oh my god, I can talk and concentrate at the same time. 7 minutes! Are you kidding me? No. Okay, I'm done here. Now we are setting the powder. Oh, we're setting the foundation and the concealer with a powder. Okay. Whenever I am so in a hurry, I'm using this style. Can't even talk. And I can show you guys the colors that I'm picking because I really don't have time. Oh my god, that's so weird. Hey Siri, how many minutes left? Hey Siri. Do you love me?
I respect you.
Thank you. It's so nice of you. Oh no! 5 minutes! No way! No, that's not happening. And then dark red cherry cordial, whatever. It's a fun challenge, but I thought that I can do it faster. I don't think so. Four minutes left, okay. The blush. Three minutes left. Okay, I need it closer. Minutes. Okay. So now can I do eyebrows? I think so. For 3 minutes? For 2 minutes and a half I can do my eyebrows. Each eyebrow is living its own life. It's so hard to make them equal. Especially in 2 minutes. $130. Oh my god. I think I'll fail. No, we have to think positive. One minute left. It's not that bad. 45, so I can apply this, how it's called? It's called highlighter. Here's something. Okay, 25 seconds. Lipstick. Timer done. How to show it? Timer done. Okay. Thank you. I need to clean this mess from my hand. It wasn't that bad that I was thinking. I'm ready to go. Clean my hand from the makeup. And we'll fix my hair. It's quite good. With a little bit of mascara, but it's still nice. Anyway, it was kind of fun to record this kind of video and try it, because I really didn't know that I can do my makeup in 10 minutes exactly. If I'm late to work, I'm not applying makeup at all, because I think it takes entire life. I was having fun filming it, and I hope you will try it as well, because it's really fun to do. So if you liked this video, please leave it a big thumb up. Subscribe for my channel if you still didn't. You are most welcome to be part of the family. And yeah, till then, see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.